Everyone, it's Sean, the What's Up Dude. We're here at the Birdhaven Greenhouse. We're gonna check them out, see what they have to offer, have a little fun. This is Sean, the What's Up Dude. And here is the area. They got a garden. Now over here's the greenhouse. We're gonna go inside of there, see what they have to offer. Looks like they have some really nice gazebos. Birdhaven Greenhouse restored, a local treasure, and it has been remastered for our viewing pleasure. It looks like the door's open, so we can go inside. The Birdhaven Greenhouse and Conservatory is a historic Italian Renaissance-style indoor botanical destination located in Joliet, Illinois. Constructed in 1929 and opened to the public in 1930. The conservatory sits on 3 acres of land within the 660-acre complex of Pilcher Park and Higginbotham Woods. In 1927, Richard and Mary Barr donated an adjacent piece of property known as Guger's Pasture because the Park District intended to use this new tract as a dedicated bird sanctuary. They named the area Birdhaven. When the greenhouse was constructed on Guger Road 2 years later, it inherited the name. Today, while the greenhouse itself focuses on flora, the surrounding wood remains a premier birding destination. The greenhouse was designed and erected by famed Lord and Burnham Company, a premier 19th and 20th century architectural firm celebrated for constructing major public conservatories across the United States. The structure features glass panels resting on historically significant framing designed to replicate early 1900s craftsmanship. The original 1929 complex consisted of 3 primary houses: the Palm House, which is tropical, the Desert House, which has cacti, and the Growing House. And here we are. Ronald H. Dodd Showroom, dedicated August 2004 in recognition of Ronald H. Dodd's vision of historic Birdhaven Conservatory restoration. You have a bench you can sit on. Water. Got a bridge right here. It looks like we have a waterfall in this next room. Wow. Thomas J. Lambert Memorial Tropical House. Backside of the waterfall. And this right here is a desert type flowers. We got cacti, century plant. These are the plants that thrive off of dry heat. If Frosty the Snowman was in here, he'd probably melt. Looks like we do have a nature walk back here. Trail map. Oh, this actually enters into Pitcher Park where we just were just a little bit ago. So we've already been in here on the other side, but I can show you what's here. Chickmunk. Alright, so that's as far as I'll go for now because this re-enters to where we were in the last video. But we'll head back and see the rest of the area over here. So these two attractions interlock, so if you're walking through the forest, if you go down the right trail, you'll end up over here. You have dedication bricks to different families. This is the gazebo area where you can walk around and enter into the center of all the beautiful wildlife and nature. Alrighty, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the nature that we saw today and all the flowers in the garden area and the waterfall. For now, this is the What's Up Dude signing off till the next adventure. Please like, share, and subscribe so that I can explore new areas and go to more places in the future.